Hi everyone, here we've got REALME C3 and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So actually we've got two different ways to check those unique numbers. The first one is using the secret code and the second is using the settings. Obviously I will show you both. So let's begin with the secret code. Let's enter the dialer and let's enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers. This info just pops out, but as you can see we cannot find the serial number, so simply tap on OK and let me show you another option to check this number, and I promise you will be also able to check the serial number there. So let's enter the settings. Now we have to scroll down and find the About phone. Let's tap on it, and here we have to enter the status. And as you can see here, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots, and here we've got the serial number of this device. So actually that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your REALME C3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.